is a mortgage pre-approval? Thinking about buying a house? Before you start touring homes, there's one thing you should probably do first. Get a mortgage pre-approval. But what exactly is a pre-approval and why is it so important? Let me break it down. A mortgage pre-approval is a letter from a lender that tells you approximately how much the lender may be willing to lend you based on information they review about your finances. It helps you understand your price range before you start shopping for a home. 1. What does the lender look at? When you apply for a pre-approval, the lender may review things like your income, your employment, your debts, your credit history, your assets and savings, your down payment. The lender uses this information to evaluate your ability to repay the mortgage. 2. Why should you get pre-approved? Getting pre-approved can help you in several ways. First, you know what price range you're realistically shopping in. Second, it can make your offer stronger because you're showing the seller that you've already taken steps toward financing. And third, it can help you avoid falling in love with the $400,000 house when your budget is actually closer to $250,000. 3. Pre-approval does not mean you have the loan yet. This is very important. A pre-approval is not the same thing as final mortgage approval. You still have to go through the lender's underwriting process after you have a property under contract. The lender will continue verifying information and evaluating the specific property and loan before final approval. 4. Pre-qualification versus pre-approval. You may also hear the term pre-qualification. Generally, pre-qualification can be a less formal estimate based on information you provide to a lender. A pre-approval typically involves a more detailed review of your financial information. However, lenders use these terms differently, so don't assume that every lender's pre-approval means exactly the same thing. 5. When should you get pre-approved? I recommend talking with the lender before you seriously start house hunting. You don't necessarily have to wait until you found your dream home. Getting an early idea of your financing can help you shop with more confidence and understand what your monthly payment might look like. 6. Does a pre-approval guarantee you will get the house? No. A pre-approval doesn't guarantee that your offer will be accepted. The seller may receive multiple offers and they will consider things like price, financing, contingencies, closing timeline, and other terms. But having a pre-approval can help demonstrate that you are a serious buyer. Example, let's say you want to buy a $250,000 house. You talk to a lender, provide your financial information, and receive a pre-approval for up to $275,000. Now you have a better idea of your financing range. You can work with your real estate agent to search for homes that fit your budget, not just maximum amount the lender says you can borrow. Important tip. Here's something I want every buyer to remember. Just because a lender says you qualify for a certain amount doesn't mean you have to spend that much. You still need to consider your monthly budget, utilities, insurance, taxes, maintenance, and other financial goals. Closing call to action. So before you start touring homes, talk to a mortgage lender, find out what you may qualify for. And if you're planning to buy a home in Alabama, make sure you subscribe because I'll be sharing more videos to help you understand the home buying process from start to finish. I'm Sania, your Alabama real estate agent. I'll see you in the next video.